So here we have a problem that we're multiplying a bunch of fractions together. So one option is to take all the numerators and multiply them together to make a numerator, and multiply all the denominators together to make a denominator. But when we have numbers that are as big as these, it can be helpful to try to simplify the problem by canceling out common factors on top and bottom. For example, 9 and 3 have a common factor of 3. So if we divide 9 by 3, we get 3. And if we divide 3 by 3, we get 1. Also, 25 and 125 have a common factor. If we take 25 and divide it by 25, we get 1. And 125 divided by 25, we get 5. Similarly, 6 and 3 have a common factor of 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now we have a common factor of the 2 and the 10. 2 and 10 have a common factor of 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, let's rewrite everything so it's easier to look at. We can keep 1 over 3 for the first fraction. The second fraction is just 1 over 1, so I'm going to skip that one because that's not going to change anything. Times 5 over 2 times the last fraction is 1 over 5. Now we have another common factor on top and bottom that we can see with a 5 and a 5, so those will go to 1s, dividing both of them by 5. And this leaves us with 1 over 3 times this fraction becomes 1 over 2, and we can ignore the 1 over 1. Finally, now we can just multiply straight across without having to simplify. 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 2 is 6, which would be the final answer. So I hope this step-by-step solution was helpful for you. If it was, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to see more step-by-step videos. Also, leave a comment with your question if you would like to see a step-by-step video of a homework problem that you're working on. Thanks for watching.